In this video, we are going to discuss and understand about the third type of differential equation, that is linear differential equation. Now, first and foremost, you need to understand what is a linear differential equation. All right. Now, it's a very simple way of understanding this one. Guys, how do you understand linear equation? A linear equation is which is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Or you can also say ax plus by is equal to c, correct? If the differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, such a type of differential equation is a linear differential equation. Fair enough? Now, since this is of the form, now the next second part is how are we going to solve it? Correct? To solve the linear differential equation, we have something called as an integrating factor. So we call it as IF, integrating factor. So integrating factor is nothing but e to the power of integral of p dx. Now this is the integrating factor. Now at the end, what we are going to do, that is finding the solution, is that we are going to take this integrating factor and we are going to multiply that with the value of y. That means at the end, the result is going to be y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Now, this is going to be the result. Or you can say that this is going to be the final answer. Now, I told you a lot of things like, okay, this is happening. Let me show you one example as to how we are going to go about it. All right. Look at this particular example problem. Okay. See, what you have is x into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square, where x is not equal to 0. Now, first and foremost, the very first point is it in the standard form? If not, get it in the standard form. Basically, what we are trying to do, divide the entire thing by x, because what we need is just dy by dx, no, not x into dy by dx. Now, when you divide this by x, you'll get dy by dx plus 2 by x into y is equal to x. Now, this is going to be p. See, this is going to be p and this is going to be q, correct? So, let's write down what is p and q. So, we have p is equal to 2 by x, q is equal to x. Now, we need to find the integrating factor, correct? This is the second step. So, second step is, so I'll write it here, second step. See, this is the first step. Getting in the form is the first step. Finding the integrating factor is the second step. So, integrating factor, this is basically e to the power of integral of p dx, right? E to the power of integral of 2 by x dx, or e to the power of 2 log of x. So, we can write this as log of x square. Now, if you remember the laws of logarithm, e to the power of log of x square, this is nothing but x square, if you remember, right? So, this is the integrating factor. Now, the third step is what? Finding the solution. And how did we write the solution as? So, we wrote the solution y into integrating factor is integral of q into integrating factor dx plus c, correct? So, we have y into, what's the integrating factor? X square. Y into x square is equal to integral of x into x square dx plus c, correct? Well, so, which is going to become y into x square, which is x cube. What is integral of x cube? X to the power of 4 by 4 plus c, right? Or the final answer, you can write it as x square into y is x power 4 by 4 plus c. See, this is the final answer. Now, this is how you do a linear differential equation. Remember, three steps very important. First, getting in the form, correct? Y dash is plus p into y is equal to q. Second, finding the integrating factor. Third, putting it in the proper form. So these are the three steps in finding the answer for a linear differential equation. Now in the next video, we'll solve few problems on this. Then you guys will understand how it works, how do we get the solution, all these things. Fine. So in the next video, we are going to solve few problems on this linear differential equation.